Hello class, in this video I'm going to be going over how to write a killer logline. I'm Mr. Justin and I teach creative writing lessons. Now let's flip the page open and begin. So there are going to be 4 tips to write a killer logline. This will be short, sweet, and simple. You have to remember, the logline should be 1 to 2 sentences max. So let's jump in. The first tip is you need to have the main character. Who is the protagonist? This will let the reader know who the story will be about. Number 2, the setup. This is like the inciting incident. This will let the reader know what the initial reason why the story began. 3, the main conflict. Why is the protagonist going about this adventure? Why they're on this journey? So the main conflict is going to be the why. This will let the reader know the why of the protagonist and know what the story will be about. Number 4, the antagonist. Who is the antagonist? This will let the reader know who the story's villain or conflict is, because not all antagonists have to be a person or a villain. It can also just be a conflict, a setting. If a character happens to be in the forest, the antagonist is everything in the forest, which is the weather, the animals, the wildlife, all of that. So now that I have gone over the 4 tips to write a killer logline, we're going to be going into my logline. I'm currently working on it. It is a work in progress, but this logline has got me to win a few film festivals for my pilot. So let's jump into it. And if you have any advice, just message it down below in the comments. Redder, a multiverse police officer, portals to Earth to capture an escaped criminal that murdered his wife and daughter. But he had to betray his commanding officer and is now on the run. But when he seeks his revenge, he learns a terrible truth about the real killer. So if we look at the tips, number 1, the protagonist, which is Redder. Number 2 is going to be the setup, which is here, the escaped criminal that killed his wife and daughter. The main conflict you're going to have here is he betrayed his commanding officer while searching for the killer. And then you have the antagonist, which is, of course, the killer, but also is going to be everybody that he used to work for as a multiverse police officer. Always remember, guys, always be writing, always be reading, and embrace rewriting. So if you haven't already, hop into my Discord channel, which will be in the description below, and join in so I can start a logline community where we can help each other and build a community and a support system. And here's your homework. Write a 1 to 2 sentence logline of the story you want to write. Post it in the comments below and let's grow and support our community. Also hop into Discord. And remember, if you can't write a logline, then your story isn't strong enough to be publish or to go forward, because if you can't sum up your story as a pitch to sell it to a publisher, agent, producer, and then it will not go anywhere. And that's a tip that I got through an email after I've been submitting mine to different film festivals and agencies and publishers. If you guys made it this far, here's the question of the video. What genre do you like to write? Comment it down below. The genre I've been writing now is psychological thrillers, but I also kind of like to hit sci-fi or anything that has to do with post-apocalyptic stuff. Or, of course, in the mind. Everything can be in the mind. The entire story can take place in someone's mind, and at the end you'll get the big reveal. That is what I like to write. So thank you guys for watching. If you really got a lot of help from this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe this video, and we can continue to build a community of writers and push back AI and use our own minds. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next lesson.